Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. Modern chairs are no longer just functional seating pieces. They have become visual statements, lifestyle symbols, and profit-driving products in today's furniture market. A chair can transform a room instantly. It can soften a minimal interior, elevate a neutral space, or add character to a contemporary setting. And when designed strategically, it can also move fast in the market and generate strong returns for the maker. The beauty of modern chair concepts is that they balance form and function. They respect comfort while celebrating clean lines, smart proportions, and thoughtful materials. Buyers today want more than something to sit on. They want something that feels intentional, stylish, and aligned with their personal space. That desire creates opportunity. When you understand what makes a chair modern, desirable, and market-ready, you stop building random designs and start crafting pieces that sell with confidence. In this video, we explore modern chair concepts that not only look stunning but also attract buyers quickly. We will look at design direction, production strategy, and why certain styles consistently perform better in today's market. One of the strongest modern chair directions is minimalist wooden dining chairs. Clean vertical slats, gently curved backrests, and smooth tapered legs create a timeless yet contemporary feel. These chairs move fast because they fit almost any dining table style. Whether paired with a rustic wood table or a sleek modern surface, they adapt easily. The key is proportion. Slim profiles reduce visual weight while maintaining structural strength. When finished with natural oils or light stains, they feel warm and premium without appearing heavy. Another concept that performs exceptionally well is the mixed material chair. Combining wood with fabric, leather, or metal details instantly elevates design perception. A wooden frame with a neutral upholstered seat creates comfort and sophistication. Buyers appreciate the softness of fabric combined with the durability of wood. From a production perspective, this approach allows you to keep the wooden structure simple while using upholstery to enhance value. That balance increases perceived luxury without dramatically increasing material cost. Mid-century inspired chairs continue to move fast in modern interiors. Rounded armrests, angled legs, and slightly reclined backrests create a relaxed yet refined appearance. These chairs elevate living rooms, reading corners, and office spaces. Their sculptural frames attract attention even before someone sits in them. The reason they sell quickly is emotional appeal. They feel artistic yet practical. When you refine curves carefully and maintain smooth finishing, these chairs become statement pieces that buyers proudly display. Low-profile lounge chairs are another fast-moving category. Deep seating with wide armrests and subtle angles communicates comfort immediately. In smaller apartments, buyers often prefer compact lounge chairs rather than bulky sofas. A well-proportioned modern lounge chair can serve as both a decorative accent and functional seating. When paired with soft neutral upholstery and warm wooden frames, the visual impact increases significantly. Modern rocking chairs have also made a strong comeback. But unlike traditional ornate designs, contemporary rocking chairs focus on clean silhouettes and controlled curves. Smooth, continuous rockers combined with minimal framing create elegance. These pieces elevate bedrooms, nurseries, and quiet reading spaces. Because they blend nostalgia with modern simplicity, they attract a wide range of buyers. Outdoor modern chairs present another profitable opportunity. Clean-line patio chairs using treated wood and subtle color contrasts feel fresh and architectural. Two-tone designs, for example light wood with dark structural elements, create visual interest without complexity. Outdoor furniture moves especially well during seasonal transitions. Durability, weather resistance, and stackable design features increase appeal. Now let us consider sculptural modern chairs. These designs prioritize visual uniqueness. Circular cutouts in side panels, curved base supports, or geometric arm structures transform a simple seat into art. Sculptural chairs often command higher prices because they feel exclusive. Even small production batches can generate strong margins. The key is ensuring that design creativity does not compromise comfort. Compact, armless accent chairs are also powerful sellers. They are easy to place in bedrooms, entryways, or offices. Without armrests, they occupy less space and appear lighter. Buyers in urban environments especially appreciate this flexibility. Clean upholstery combined with sturdy wooden legs keeps the design balanced. Comfort remains essential. Modern does not mean uncomfortable. Ergonomic back angles, properly padded seats, and stable leg positioning ensure repeat customers. When someone sits in your chair and feels supported, they are more likely to recommend your work. Comfort becomes part of your brand identity. Production efficiency plays a major role in chairs that move fast. Designs that use repeatable components allow batch production. For example, identical legs cut with templates increase speed and precision. Standardizing seat dimensions simplifies upholstery preparation. When you streamline these elements, you reduce labor time and improve profit margins. Finishing quality directly affects speed of sale. Chairs are touched constantly. Rough edges or uneven stain application immediately reduce value perception. Careful sanding, consistent coating, and attention to detail communicate professionalism. Buyers notice craftsmanship even if they cannot describe it technically. Photography and staging elevate modern chair sales dramatically. A chair photographed alone against a clean background looks professional. But when staged inside a bright living room, beside a plant or near a window, it tells a lifestyle story. That story influences purchasing decisions. People imagine the chair inside their own homes. Pricing strategy must align with design positioning. A simple minimalist dining chair should remain accessible. A sculptural lounge chair can carry premium pricing. When price reflects design effort and finishing quality, customers feel justified in their investment. Modern chair concepts offer one of the most balanced opportunities in woodcraft today. They are practical, versatile, and emotionally appealing. When designed with clean lines, comfortable proportions, and premium finishing, they attract attention quickly and sell with confidence. Focus on simplicity, refine your production process, and maintain consistent quality. Let every curve, joint, and finish reflect care. Over time, your modern chair collection can become a reliable source of steady income and growing reputation. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.